In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a space in Wrike. This will be a quick walkthrough, but I'll move slowly enough so you can follow along in your own workspace. Before we start, keep in mind that deleting a space is a significant action. Depending on your Wrike plan and permissions, it can affect projects, folders, and tasks that live inside that space. So only delete a space if you're sure it's no longer needed, or you've already archived or moved any important work out of it. First, open Wrike in your browser and log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in your workspace, look for the list of spaces on the left-hand side of the screen. This is usually displayed as a vertical panel with the names of all your spaces like marketing, operations, or any other custom spaces you've created. Next, locate the specific space you want to delete. Take a moment here to double check you're picking the correct one. If you have multiple spaces with similar names, hover over them to confirm that you're selecting the right space that you intend to remove. Once you've found it, click on that space. Wrike will open the main view for that space, showing you its projects, folders, tasks, or table view, depending on what you used last. This step basically brings you inside the space so you can access its settings and options. Now look toward the top of the screen, near the name of the space. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options or Kebab menu. This small button is where Wrike keeps additional actions related to the space. Click on the 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing the space. In this menu, look for the option labeled Delete Space. It might be closer to the bottom of the list, and it may be highlighted or styled differently to indicate that it's a destructive action. Go ahead and click Delete Space. At this point, Wrike may show you a confirmation dialog, asking if you're sure you want to delete it. Read this message carefully so you understand what will happen to the contents of the space. If everything looks correct and you're confident about your choice, confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, Wrike will remove the space from your workspace. You should no longer see it in your list of spaces on the left side, and it will no longer be available to your team.